In a move that stunned the world, Burkina Faso has just conducted one of the most daring anti-terror operations ever seen in the Sahel. Over 1,000 extremists linked to Al-Qaeda were neutralized using just 3 unmanned drones. But the aftermath? It's not global applause, it's condemnation. From who? BBC Africa. And that has raised a storm. Is the Western media fighting terrorism, or Africa's right to defend itself? Today on Voyage Pulse, we reveal a story of high-tech warfare, media manipulation, and the rise of a new kind of African leadership. Welcome to Voyage Pulse. If you're tired of twisted narratives, hit subscribe, drop a like, and let's tell our story, our way. This report is based on confirmed reports from public sources, official briefings, and on-the-ground intelligence. We do not promote violence. Our mission is truth, clarity, and empowerment. While President Ibrahim Traoré was representing Burkina Faso at Russia's Victory Day, insurgents launched a coordinated strike back home, timed to catch the nation vulnerable. But they were wrong, dead wrong. Burkina Faso, recently equipped with advanced surveillance drones from Russia, China, and North Korea, executed a flawless digital ambush. 3 drones, 2 black North Korean Vipers, and a single Chinese Sky Reaper, conducted a synchronized trap and strike maneuver that forced over 1,000 militants out of towns and into the forest. The Reaper then descended with surgical precision. According to military insiders, the entire operation lasted less than an hour. Just as the dust settled, BBC Africa dropped a bombshell, claiming over 100 civilians had died in the strike. But here's the twist: local media and eyewitnesses say those civilians were militants disguised as bystanders. This wasn't just misinformation, it felt like sabotage. Why, when African nations defend themselves, are we suddenly violating human rights? But when Western drones strike, it's called peacekeeping?
So the West can bomb weddings in the Middle East and call it precision. But Traore defends his people, and he's a dictator. We see the double standard, loud and clear.
Burkina Faso's growing alliances with non-Western powers are no longer secret. Russian logistics reportedly helped transport Traore to Moscow. Chinese and Korean tech are now part of African defense arsenals. This is no longer just a military story, it's a geopolitical power shift. And the media backlash? Some analysts say it's not about human rights, it's about losing influence. BBC Africa is trending, for the wrong reasons. Hashtags calling for boycotts, criticism of biased journalism, and demands for retractions are lighting up the digital space. Young Africans are no longer waiting to be spoken for, they are speaking, and they're angry. This was more than a drone strike. It was a moment of African strategy, leadership, and technological rise. But the real war? It's not just on the battlefield, it's over who controls the story. What do you think? Was Traore's operation a brilliant act of defense or a dangerous overreach? And is the Western media telling the truth, or pushing an agenda? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe to Voyage Pulse for raw, powerful travel and news. And we are done whispering. Voyage Pulse.